Welcome back. This is your workspace dashboard, the home base for everything you do in Email Sendex. Let's take a quick tour. At the very top, a friendly welcome and a row of quick stats. Email sent today, your contact count, templates, campaigns, and your delivery rate. It's an at-a-glance health check. If you're just starting out, you'll see a setup checklist. Tick off each step. Connect a provider, import contacts, create a template, send your first campaign, and you'll be fully up and running. On the free hobby plan, you'll also spot an upgrade banner here. We cover plans and billing in their own category. Below that are your 4 key metrics: email sent, open rate, click rate, and bounce rate. Each card has a little trend line and an arrow comparing it to the previous 30 days, so you can quickly spot what's improving.